to, and then we're just going to plug it in. Sine inverse, or which one do you want me to do? Sine inverse or arc sine?
Inverse.
Inverse, okay. So sine inverse of C, what's C? Little c? 12? Right?
Yes.
Little c. Sine A, what's the angle A?
137.
137 divided by what? A, so little a.
Little.
That's that big one, 26.09290,749. Okay? So then I take that calculator, turn it back on. My answer, that 26.0, it's still in there. Okay? So what I can do is I can say 12 times the sine of 137, right? And then I can say divided by the answer, and that'll give me 0.3136. So 0.3136 47696. Okay? So now I need to take the sine inverse of that. Right? So then I'll go second sine, which gives me the sine inverse, and then second negative, which gives me the answer that I worked with last, and that'll give me 18.2791. So 18.2791 9574. Okay? Alright, so this would be 10. Okay? So I plugged it in 9. So number 9, what is it called when you plug it in?
Substitution.
Substitution. Okay? And then what's it called when you simplify it? It's simplified, right? You get what I'm throwing down? Is that still going?
Yes.
Okay. Woo! We're almost there, people. We're almost there. So now we know what C is. It's basically 18.3. Okay? Now, what we do now is we want to find the height. That is, the whole key is base times height. Now I can use SOHCAHTOA. I can use a SOHCAHTOA right here, right, to find the height. Because what uses the opposite and the hypotenuse? Okay? So think about this. I have this triangle right here. Okay?
I'm craving bread now.
This is the height. I do not know this part, but I do know this angle. And I do have, and I don't know H, but I do know that this is 16. I know this is 18. Okay? So if I know this angle, and I'm looking for the opposite and the hypotenuse is what I have. So what is opposite and hypotenuse? So, don't worry, I'm here all week. So, is sine is equal to, so sine of theta, right, is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Okay? And that is the definition of sine, right? Okay? And now, I plug it in. Well, you know what we could do? Instead of plugging the big numbers in, we could just, right now, we'll say the sine of C, right? And the opposite, which is the height. Oops. Height. Okay? And the hypotenuse, which is the B. And that's the definition of sine. Okay? And then we can solve for the height. So how would I solve for the height here? What do I do? I gotta multiply by B. So 12 is gonna be B sine C is equal to the height. I keep spelling that wrong. Okay? Why? What did we do to both sides? Multiply. So that's called multiplication property of equality, right? All right. So then we plug it in. What's B? 16?
Yep.
What's the sine of C? What's the angle C?
12.
18, right?
Wait.
This-
Oh, okay.
The angle C is 18.2 or 279,19574, right? Is equal to the height. Okay, so then I just take that number and I go, because the number's still in there, so I'm going to go 16. Is that still going?
Yes.
Okay, 16 times sine of the answer. And I get 5.01. So, for 14, I'm going to get the height is equal to 5.018363138. Okay? Alright, so that's the height. By the way, to get to 13, what did we do to get to 13? Oh, we substituted, right? So 13 was substitution, and 14 was simplification. Okay? Alright? So when we simplify, that's called simp, and we can use that later. Alright, so now what? Come on, people. Now what? The whole point of the problem. The area of the triangle is equal to the 1/2 times the base times the height.
HEIGHT.
Okay. So what is that? That's definition of the area of a triangle. Okay? Alright, what's next? Plug it in, right? So, the area of the triangle is equal to 1/2 times 5.018363138 times the height. Oh wait, that was the height. The base was 26.0929 074.